I've already recommended the SBDC to friends of mine who own businesses, small businesses, and anyone I meet in this area who would need help, I would definitely recommend. Hello, my name is Beth. I am the owner of Boutique Blue in Zelienople, and we have women's clothing, accessories, and gifts. What people really like about the shop is that they can find things that they don't see everywhere else. We offer unique products, a lot in the casual space, but some dressier clothes too. And they always remark at how great of a selection we have. Everyone really loves the clothing, but there's plenty of accessories as well. We have some great jewelry lines. Some of them are even customizable. People really like them for themselves or for gifts. This time of year, we have people buying for both. Also lots of handbags and scarves and really almost anything you could think of to really just give that added touch to your wardrobe. So when searching for a new home for my old shop, which was Fresh Nostalgia, which is now Boutique Blue, I started searching in the summer of 2024, and I came across an ad for this building in Zelienople that was being newly renovated. And when I visited it, I just knew it was going to be the perfect new home for Fresh Nostalgia. And then after that, we did a complete rebrand. So we are now Boutique Blue. And the space was ready for us in November, so we officially opened our doors on November 21st of 2024. We had an amazing grand opening with the mayor present, and everybody in this community has been so supportive. Just couldn't have been a better welcome into this little town here of Zelienople. When I first met Doug at the Duquesne SBDC, I was in a crossroads of my business actually, and I was trying to decide, is this something I should continue doing? Should I keep it open, or should I go get a job and close my doors? The Duquesne SBDC has been amazing in that they gave me neutral advice and with a lot of experience in their background with small business, and they've supported me ever since then. So not only, he didn't just let me walk out the door and say, well, good luck, I hope everything goes well if you close your business. He checked in with me periodically after that initial meeting, and I continued to update him on my very winding path of getting to where I am now. And I've already recommended the SBDC to friends of mine who own businesses, small businesses, and anyone I meet in this area who would need help, I would definitely recommend.